you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 42. If the star side of the star delta transformer shown in the figure is excited by a negative sequence voltage, then, so we have four options here. VAB leads VAB by 60 degrees, VAB lags VAB by 60 degrees, VAB leads VAB by 30, and VAB lags VAB by 30. So please be careful with the letters. The capital letters represent the star side, whereas the small letters represent the delta side. So in order to choose or to get the right answer, phasor diagrams will help us. So let's first draw the negative sequence of voltage phasor diagram for the primary side or the star side. Negative sequence. Negative sequence phasor diagram for the star side. Okay, so what we have here is we have VA, the voltage of A is considered as the one on the y-axis. You can consider it that way. And because it says negative sequence, our next line would be here representing VB. Okay, this is 120 degrees. And then we have our next and final VC here. So there's 120 degrees between each phase here. So if we take the phasor opposite to represent V minus VB, we'll notice that it is exactly half of the phase of VA and VC. So therefore this would be half of 120, which would be 60 degrees. Now since we are to find out VAB, now we need VAB over here and we also need small VAB. So let's first calculate for VAB. Now VAB would be the resultant of these two phasors here, and the resultant of these two would be the phasor that goes right through the center and right through the middle of both these phasors. Now this would be VAB, and since it goes right through the center, it would be half of 60 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. Now that tells us that one of C and D is right. So 30 degrees is the right mark, is the right angle. So it could either be VAB leads VAB by 30 or VAB lags VAB by 30. So, okay, so we now know that VAB falls in this area of the phasor. Now let's see what the phasor would be for the secondary side, the delta side. For the delta side, we have VA here, and this is our phase. Now VAB would be aligned along this region here, and this would be 30 degrees. Now this tells us that VAB lags VAB by 30 degrees. So the right answer is D. I hope this has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.